Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today I'm making pan-seared salmon. Now I have plenty of salmon recipes, so today we're just going to focus on the skin. Okay, we're making crispy skin salmon today in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here I have all the seasoning you will need, which I will leave down below in the description box for you guys with the measurement. Now, before you start seasoning your salmon, make sure it's nice and pat dry. Make sure you remove the scale, of course, and then pat it dry really nicely. You don't want any moisture on the fish if you want to achieve that nice crispy skin. Now, what I am going to do is add my seasoning all over the fish, even on the side of it. Now, I am not going to season the back of it, okay, because it's literally gonna burn. So we're just going to season one side. Now you can add some salt on the other side, but seasoning, I'm not going to add any. It will burn because we want that nice crispy skin on the salmon. Once you're done, you're going to take a skillet. Well, this is what it looks like, okay? Looks well seasoned. It's not over seasoned. For those of you guys who said, oh my god, too much seasoning, it's well seasoned. Thank you. Here we're going to add some butter in our skillet and then make sure the temperature is on high heat. Okay, once it's nice and hot, we're going to place the fish on there because you want to achieve that crispy skin, remember? So you want it to be nice and hot. And then we're going to flip it over. So we're going to cook it for about, I'll say 4 minutes, but do not turn it until you know it's ready. Okay, one time, turn it only one time. So don't look and see, oh, it's not ready, put it back. No, just one time. Now once you flip it over, we're going to cook the other side for about 4 minutes or until it's cooked thoroughly. But I usually put my fish, you see, I was trying to show you guys how crispy the skin was, but the sound wasn't picking up through my camera microphone, but it was extremely crispy. Now I make 2 batches of the fish right here. It looks so good, and yes, it tastes absolutely delicious. I place it in the oven for another 5 minutes just to make sure it's cooked thoroughly, and boom, this is what you have. Okay, this is what you have. The potato that I have here, I have a recipe which I will leave down below for you guys. Check it out and check all of my salmon recipe because I have plenty. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.